Welcome to GetMojo, where we do the research so you don't have to. In this video, we're offering our picks for the top 5 magnetic lashes on Amazon. False eyelashes can be a task to put on properly, whether it's gluing them down or trimming the lash to perfectly fit your eye. Thankfully, the eyelash game is forever changed, now that magnetic options are available. And having a good kit further simplifies the process. But there's different options for those just starting out, those who prefer the natural look, and those that want to customize their lashes. So, which one should you go for? Well, to help you decide, we've sifted through Amazon's products and consumer reviews to present our 5 recommended products. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to GetMojo and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Okay, first up, the frontrunner, Latteries Magnetic Eyelashes Kit. Listed as Amazon's choice, this popular and effective lash kit is great for those who want a premium formula with plenty of options. There's 10 different pairs in this set, ranging in thickness, length and style, so that you have a ton of different options for any occasion. The magnetic eyeliner is waterproof, smudge-free, and is formulated with strong magnetism, so that any lash you choose will stick on immediately and stay put. Reviewers have praised this option as an instant beauty booster, but advise following directions and practicing a few times if you're just starting your false lash journey. The Versatile Kit, Luxilia Magnetic Lashes with Eyeliner. Sometimes you need a little help when it comes to applying your magnetic lashes, and depending on your eye shape, it can be difficult to find a kit that can accommodate you. Luckily, this versatile option comes with an advanced applicator tool that makes wearing magnetic lashes even easier, and the 5 pairs of lashes that come in the kit are made with all eye shapes in mind, including monolids. Its eyeliner formula is also smudge-proof and waterproof, making for a lash that will look and feel well put together. The Beginner Kit, Ari Shine Magnetic Eyeliner and Lashes Kit. If you're still deciding whether magnetic lashes are for you, this budget-friendly compact option is a great way to find out. It comes with 5 pairs of lashes ranging from natural to party styles, which is the perfect amount to try without being overwhelmed by too much choice. Plus, it comes with an applicator, for beginners really needing the extra help. Its eyeliner formula is durable and won't fade, making it easy to keep lashes looking their best. While reviewers have praised this beginner option as a game changer, they recommended being advanced in eyeliner application specifically before using this product. The Natural Kit, Ease Beauty 2020 Upgraded Magnetic Eyeliner and Eyelashes Kit. Daily lash wearers, this one's for you. Like other products on this list, this kit comes with an applicator, but the 5 pairs of lashes provided are more on the natural side, so it's an easy option for everyday wear. They're made with unique synthetic fibres designed to mimic the natural look of real eyelashes, while still allowing your eyes to look a bit bolder than usual. The lashes are embedded with 5 strong magnets to prevent them from falling out, which reviewers have raved about. The Customizable Kit, Rillaho 7 Pairs Magnetic Eyelashes. Advanced lash aficionados who enjoy customizing their lashes will love this final option. It not only contains an applicator, but also has other helpful tools like scissors and an extra tube of magnetic eyeliner. This makes it easy to customize the 7 pairs of lashes provided, plus the lack of magnetic stones in the lashes makes them easier to adjust and more comfortable to wear. The scissors are great for altering the length or thickness of your lashes so that you can achieve the exact results you want. So which of these magnetic lash kits should you consider? Well, those starting their lash journey should test the waters with our beginner option. But if you're more experienced and want to create some Franken lashes, then our final option will give you all the necessary tools to do so. Either way, the magnetic component of these products will make wearing falsies a whole lot easier than it was before. Stay tuned to GetMojo for the most complete video product reviews. Check out this other recent clip from GetMojo and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos.